What happened to you?
I got a jellyfish.
You got stung by a jellyfish. Show me.
Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Anak ni Andy Eigenman at Filmar Alipayo na si Lilo, ganito ang nangyari sa kanya. Isang nakakaantig na sandali ang ibinahagi ni Filmar Alipayo sa social media kung saan makikita ang kamay ng kanyang anak na si Lilo matapos itong makagat ng dikya. Sa caption, sinabi ni Filmar, "Lilo got stung by a jellyfish today. But she's okay. Brave baba." Tunay ngang isang matapang na bata si Lilo. Sa kabila ng kirot na dulot ng dikya, hindi ito nagpahina sa kanya. Narito at ating panoorin ang kabuuan ng video at para malaman natin pa ang usapan nilang mag-ama, pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe para laging updated sa iba pang kaganapan.
What happened to you?
I got a jellyfish.
You got stung by a jellyfish. Show me. Ouchie. Ouchie. The blue bottle one, it's very sakit pa ba? Yeah.
The one that we learned in the TV.
It's the one. The one that we saw.
How about the big
How did you?
one? Is it?
Did you cry? Did you cry for a while or just?
I didn't cry.
But then you stopped, Wow, you're so brave.
Because Mommy said I should stop crying.
Yeah. There's no reason to keep crying. You know? It will be itchy. Kamay when you're sleeping. Okay? But it's okay. It's like that.
I'm putting this down. So what's that? Which
You're still going to swim.
one?
What do you mean? Oh. Huh? Will you still go to the ocean?
Yeah, then it's when the jellyfish come.
We don't go when there is a lot of jellyfish, okay?
How about the pink jellyfish to its sting? How about the pink jellyfish?
The pink one? I haven't seen that.
Oh, is it itchy? Oh, the pink one.
But the one that stung you is really one of the sakit one.
Oh.
But you're very brave, Baba.